So you may be wondering, well, it's easy to connect, but how does it sound? How does Gizmo Guy Gadget sounds in real life, the stereo? Well, I am showing you now, so listen. We have this on 87.9, and you can hear the music, okay? I choose the music because you can hear the bass is solid and the pitch is high. The sound quality is CD. It's CD sound quality, unlike anything else you have elsewhere, okay? Those other ones do not work. This one will work. Not only that, you will sound crystal clear and static free, and you'll sound just like your CD. Listen. So the car is running, okay? So there's no hissing, there's no static noise. You can hear the music. It's just clean CD quality sound through this system, okay? This Mercedes factory radio system. You can hear that in the music because it's got a really nice sound system. You can hear that the bass is really kicking. The music quality, it's the one thing that I'm most proud of. We spend a lot of time tuning the sound quality to make it just perfect because we don't want to settle for anything. So not only is crystal clear, static free, but it's also clean, okay? This is the best quality sound that you can get out of the Gizmo Guy Gadget. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you what it sounds like with my gadget, okay? Bye-bye.